people, welcome back to JNCX Traxxas. Today, we're going to be doing an Air Traxxas driving video. But in this clip, yeah, that helped a lot. So, my wrist mount broke that day, and also this clip, my lens broke that day. And then also in this clip, my GoPro and my GoPro case and my wrist mount broke both at the same time. So yeah, so we got some new stuff. So you don't have to keep using wrist mounts that are meant for your wrist instead of your cars. We got the brand new GoPro mount kit. And how did that get on there? So in this video, my neighbor Dave is like family to us. is buying a Traxxas car too, because we don't like make it look fun or anything. So yeah, we're gonna be setting. We have, what are these things called? I don't know, but these things are like sticky things, and we're gonna be placing. Okay. We're gonna be placing them on my Traxxas car. So yeah, let's get right to it. Here, and she is not coming off. And if it does come off, we will super glue it. I didn't want to bring the whole car out. So next, we're gonna put this one like right on the back so you can see over the hood. Satisfying peel. Nice. And we're just gonna super gently stick it on the back. Look at that. Heck yeah. There's our Traxxas e-Revo. We used to have a Traxxas Bigfoot on the channel, but I sold it on Facebook Marketplace. Because man, I just did not like it. I bought it so excited because I was so pumped. I've always wanted a Bigfoot, and it's a big circle, kind of like a circle. In the future, we will be tearing off this lens and getting a new, different lens protector. So my dad just scared me really bad, so that was fun. So soon we'll be getting a new light kit for this, because this has a light kit on it, but it doesn't. It's horrible. So we're going to put it right in the back. Nice. Alright, clean up our mess. Okay, there's our new case. That's way better than the other one. I got this for $6 off Amazon. $6! Man, my GoPro looks so ugly. That fat lens. Oh my. That's gonna look so good. Alright, see you tomorrow, boys. Sayonara. Alright, our neighbor is not home yet, but he's on his way home. And we are getting batteries. So here's a great hack if you have a truck like this. Perfect. And then on goes the e-Revo. It probably weighs like 40 pounds. I'm not joking. Okay. There it is. Now we gotta get my dad's slash back.
Uncle Dave, we would like to make you an honorary member of the Rusty Hinge RC Club.
Yes! Woo! All right! Woo-hoo!
So welcome to the RC Club.
Why, thank you, sir.
He's got his own little badge.
I do.
Right there. So we're here at the school so we can have...
Are you going to be making fun of me on YouTube?
No.
That's against the rules to make fun of honorary members.
No, it is. We got the GoPro Hero 7, e-Revo Traxxas Slash, and he's got his new Raptor R. There's the new Raptor, and you even got this stuff in TQR and Chris rims. And the prettiest, dude. Look how soft that thing is. My Slash would never get like that. Alright, let's get the Slash for a size comparison. But it's even got lights, bro. Mine's good. So. Oh yeah, I can pack it. Reebo's a bit bigger. So, oh wow. Jeez. Alright, let's get the Reebo powered up. Alright, we got my Reebo. Let's go.
And the honorary club. This is Todd.
We're on the tracks with Slash instead of the Reebo now. Alright, we're doing a race, folks. Raptor R versus Slash. All right.
Okay, what's the path?
So you gotta go around those poles.
Around those poles.
All the way around, and
then somewhere over there.
yeah. And
Okay.
Then,
All right.
Round one. Ready, go!
Okay.
We had a little accident, folks, so we gotta restart from here. He decided to take a dive in here.
Round 2.
On your mark, get set, go.
Ready, go. Round.
No! It broke! This car. Hi, Raptor. Tried grabbing it.
Battery's dead.
Because they start slowing down way. Alright, so the Slash's battery died. We have one Slash battery left. But now, it's time for the Revo. Well, the Revo was already here, but then I remembered the Slash was part of it. But, look at all the grass. Look at that. Oh, oh my. This thing's a beast. Chill.
Oh, I bet that pin fell out, dude.
What happened?
Fell out, dude.
What happened? Huh?
Bet the pin fell out.
Oh no. What? Where does this thing go?
I don't know.
It broke. I'm sad. Now this one fell off. No!
Fell off again.
Hey. Hey. Chill. Get a little dirty. Go, go, go. I bet this thing does not stay on. It's already coming off. Yeah. Alright folks, so the E-Revo is dead. Our neighbor Dave is done for the day because he's cold. And now we're going to start jumping this thing. Okay, this battery's dead too. Alright. Well, we're going to end today's video a bit early because for some reason all my Traxxas Slash batteries just died right off the bat, because I need to remember, because every time I put them on the charger, they charge and then they stop charging, and then the charger takes all the battery power out of them because I don't unplug them until I play with them.
So I gotta stop doing that. So when they're charged, I gotta take them off the charger and put them in my room. So, yeah. Alright, so where's he going?
He's going home.
With the tailgate open?
He said so. He's gonna let it blow out.
Alright, so and then we got the Traxxas cars. Dad's cold. The GoPro mount sucked. There goes our friend Dave for the Traxxas Raptor R, new member of the JNCX Traxxas Club. Come on, Dad. Ow. And yeah. Alright, we're home. And we're gonna see our friend, our neighbor lives right there. Yeah, that's him, and then we're right down the street. So we're gonna get all the cars and stuff out and
Thanks for coming out and playing with us.
thank you.
Thank you.
I have no clue how I'm gonna get this one. Bro's dancing on a vacuum. Yeah.